Hey drone technology fans, Bill here. SpinUp 2018, welcome video. We'll have that coming right up. Most of you are aware that tomorrow on December the 1st, north of Austin, Texas, Kelly Shores from Ready Set Drone will be hosting SpinUp 2018. It's going to be a great day, and if you're in the area and you have an opportunity to go, I'm sure you could still be able to get tickets, and I'm sure Kelly would be thrilled to have more people come. Unfortunately, was not able to attend this year's event, and I'm very much looking forward to be able to attend the event in 2019. Kelly reached out to me and asked me to go ahead and make a welcome video. So that's what I'm going to do. We're going to go ahead and roll that clip right now, and it's going to have an ending, and that's going to be the close for this. So let's roll that clip. Hey everyone, this is Bill from Bill the Drone Reviewer. Welcome to SpinUp 2018, hosted by Kelly Shores from Ready Set Drone. Today you'll have the incredible opportunity to meet some awesome YouTube drone content creators, network with other drone enthusiasts, sit in on some great learning opportunities, have some good food, and fly. That's right, you're going to have a chance to fly your drone inside this minor league ballpark. How cool is that? And you'll get an opportunity to win a Mavic 2 Pro courtesy of DJI. I'm unable to attend this year, but I look forward to being able to attend SpinUp 2019. I want to say a special thank you to Kelly Shores from Ready Set Drone for everything you do for the drone community. And remember, it's a great day to fly.
Take off.